As you know, one conviction gives a message to 1,000 people. So total cases reported 2017 low, 2,533 total cases disposed of. And idilo conviction rate was 24% 2017 low. That has become now 34% rate of conviction. Idilo 20% was given conviction in 2017, 2018 low 31% in 25 cases. And more than 3 years conviction, 105% ki ochindi. So there is substantial increase of 67.5% in disposal of court cases and 10% increase in conviction. Law and order lo other highlights ante incident free general election, anni bandobast, assembly bandobast, council bandobast. Hyderabad lo India ki all VIPs, president, vice president, prime minister, regular ga they all have come. All state functions, fish prasadam. The entire process lo preventing arrest also more than 12,000 persons ki arrest jarigindi. Everything went off peacefully. Tarvata already meeku traffic gurinchi nenu explain chesanu. Road accident ante fatal road accident lo 8% ki reduction ochindi. And average speed of traffic has gone up from 18 to 25 km per hour. Drunken driving, drive against drunken driving oka regular feature undi. Subsequent ga question and answer session lo mana additional CP garu detail lo meeku cheptaru. Details statistics మీ దగ్గర ఉంది ఇదిలో. Drunken driving ki total